How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Single Section Sunday. And this Sunday, we're coming to you with the Platinum Saba. What makes the Saba so great is the open concept as soon as you walk in and gives you that nice cabin feel that makes you feel at home. Guys, if you check out the living area right here, you'll see it's very open. You can fit a couple chairs, fit a sectional, a couch, whatever you want to put in there. And it's so nice with the stained southern yellow pine trim and the southern yellow pine chair rail. Guys, it is awesome. Got plenty of windows, plenty of natural light coming in. And we've also went with the southern yellow pine ceiling as well. Makes it very nice, very cabin. And guys, it's kind of that getaway home that you feel like every time you come home, guys. Don't even have to be a getaway. And you see right here, we got the nice island here, just kind of separate the kitchen while still allowing the open concept. It's elevated right here, so you can have a couple bar stools on the opposite side. Got plenty of cabinet space on the other side. And you see, guys, we went with the hickory cabinets here in the kitchen as well. Plenty of countertop space with the HD laminate. And for the backsplash, we went again with the southern yellow pine also, guys. We've got the under cabinet lighting. A nice little touch right there. Goes above and beyond, if you ask me. And you see we've got the black appliances to kind of give it that rustic tone as well. Side-by-side refrigerator, ice in the door. You know we do that here all the time, guys. You guys follow me around. We're going to take it on back. And this would be a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, guys. Right around 900 square feet, so it gives you more than enough room in here. You got a nice room right here off to the side that you'll see. Got enough space in here for guests, or this could be a nice office space as well. Again, we went with the southern yellow pine door, solid pine. Guys, this is where you're going to get it at. It's RRC, real wood doors. We don't do that hollow stuff. And you come right here and you'll see as well, we've got the guest bath. Plenty of countertop space, linen cabinet above the commode with a nice tub shower as well. We've got your hookups right here off to the opposite side for a side-by-side washer and dryer. Additional storage for all your detergents, everything that you need up above that. And you guys come on back to the master and you'll see, again, we went with the southern yellow pine accent on the wall. Guys, just make you feel right at home whenever you come into your master. We've got the dual doors on the closet, his and hers. Enough space in here for both of you. Again, we finished it out with the real wood on the inside, guys. We don't do that fake stuff here at RRC. Don't come here if that's what you're looking for, because we ain't doing it. Come right through here, and you got your ensuite master bath. You see we got the HD laminate countertop again. Plenty of cabinet space down below. Got the linen closet right here, little linen pantry. And you look right through here, and we've got the walk-in shower, tiled with your window right up there above, guys, bringing that natural light. You got a little area right here for your little soaps and razors, everything that you need also. But don't let me forget, got a little pocket door here. And what's the pocket door for? Number 2, guys. Just close it off and act like it never happened, guys. Just close it on back and walk away. So we're going to walk back through. And we're going to go back through the Saba, guys, and see why this is the next cabin that you need to make yours. Got the nice exterior door right here, come in from the side if you want. But guys, me personally, I want to come in through the front so I can get everything at one view. And guys, with the open concept, you'll see it's perfect. It's larger than life here in the Saba. This is made by Platinum, guys. You come to RRC, you ask Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, how he can get you to Saba. And guys, I will promise to deliver a deal that you won't be able to refuse. Thank you so much for tuning in to another Single Section Sunday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and we'll see you next time.